Facts about your abs. Everyone has a perfect six-pack. It is an essential component of human musculature. Everyone has beautiful abdominal muscles, even those with the highest fat levels. Only, in most cases, it is hidden by layers of body fat, which obscure those muscles. The tricky part is working to reduce fat levels to reveal that six-pack. No amount of crunches or planks will give you abs. Crunches, planks, and other core exercises can help our abdominal muscles become stronger and more defined, but if our body fat percentage is still high, they won't show. It won't be enough to just do ab workouts. Women must put in more effort to achieve them. Men and women both require a certain amount of essential fat to function properly. Women, by nature, need more essential fat than men. This is for proper hormonal function as well as energy storage even when pregnancy occurs. Women are biologically designed to store fat in the stomach and hip areas, making fat loss difficult. Lowering body fat is the key to achieving a visible six-pack. As a result, if women want their abs to show, they must work harder than men. Abs are built both in the gym and in the kitchen. This dual approach is the best way to achieve a chiseled six-pack. Keep in mind that to lose body fat, we must maintain a consistent calorie deficit. This simply means that the energy we expend should exceed the calories we consume. If we exercise regularly but consume more calories than we need, we will fail to lose fat and will fall short of our goal of having abs. Having a shredded six-pack is as much about working out as it is about eating the right amounts of the right macronutrients. For the best results, exercise and eat right with equal effort.